The M18 FUEL half-inch hammer drill and drill driver with one key are the industry's most powerful drills, delivering up to 60% more power than the competition. With up to 1.5 inches shorter length, these are the most compact drills in their class, providing better access in tight spaces. The PowerState brushless motor delivers 1,200 inch-pounds of torque and 2,000 RPMs, providing up to 2 times faster speed under heavy load for unmatched productivity. The M18 FUEL half-inch hammer drill and drill driver with one key give you the ability to customize, track, and manage your tool to fit the demands of any job, saving you time and protecting your investment. Track and manage your tool's location from anywhere. If ever lost or stolen, lock it out to disable it remotely. Tool customization allows you to optimize the tool for the work you do, increase your productivity with consistent performance, and save money by maximizing accessory life and reducing damage to materials. Save up to 3 tasks to the memory of the tool and cycle through them when needed throughout your day without needing to reconnect your device. Anti-kickback technology increases control in bind-up situations and reduces unwanted shutdowns. Adjust anti-kickback sensitivity universally or for individually saved tasks. Customize, track, and manage your tools with one key.